If you have an oily and an acne prone skin, come closer. For my dry skin girlies, you guys can go. This video is not for you. This video is for my acne prone and oily skin girlies. Guys, I'm going to be showing you guys something that you might be missing in your routine. Something that can actually help you very well. Like if you want to control the reoccurrence of acne and also control the oil production on your skin, I'm going to be showing you guys this simple method that you can be doing in your shower routine or your cleansing routine. Guys, this particular method is the double cleansing method. Since I introduced this double cleansing method to my routine, both for my face routine and my body routine, guys, especially in the night routine, this routine I'm going to show you guys is just for the night time, it's not for the morning time. Guys, since I introduced double cleansing in my night routine, I hardly break out. I normally have hormonal acne. Whenever it's close to the time of the month, I begin to break out. Like if you check my face now already, I think I have one. You get one of the signs that the time of the month is close for me is I will begin to break out, guys. But since I started double cleansing, it has really helped me. I hardly break out. I'm now able to control the oil production on my skin. You understand? So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my double cleansing in the night. You get, and I'm also going to be showing you guys the products that I use. So you want to watch this video to the end. And please, before we dive into that, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video, guys. Like this video. So let's go straight to the point without taking much of your time. Normally, in your morning routine, all you need in your morning routine is just a gentle cleanser. And I will always recommend this ceramide face fat cleanser. Guys, you see this particular cleanser? This one. This cleanser is everything. In your morning routine, you just need a mild cleanser on your face if you are acne and oily prone girly. I'm not saying you should not include your other skincare products for acne and the rest, but I'm going to be showing you this double cleansing method that I used to do, that I've incorporated, and it has been helping me, like it's even helping my other acne products to work very well. Once you introduce this double cleansing, guys, you're going to love your skin. So, like I was saying, in your morning routine, you just need a mild cleanser. But in your night routine, as an acne-prone, oily skin girly, you want to ensure that you are double cleansing in your night routine. Double cleansing in your night routine is a must. Why? Because during the day, you have accumulated all the sweat, all the dirt, all the bacteria on your face. And if you are cleansing once, trust me, you're not getting rid of all those debts the way you're supposed to. And that's why your acne keeps on increasing instead of getting rid of them. They keep on going and coming back because you are not doing it properly. You are not removing those excess oils that have clung your pores. So in my night routine, this is what I do. You can now get a very good bar soap. Any treatments or acne fighting bar soap. And you see this jam rice milk soap, guys. This soap is small but mighty. It is affordable, but trust me, this soap does a lot. Get this soap in the night after using your face fat ceramide cleanser. This particular one, the foaming one, not the blue one and not the hydrating cleanser. This particular one that is written foaming cleanser. This is the one that you get. Hope you guys can see it well. Then you're going to get this jam rice milk soap. Once you get into the shower, you first of all use this jam rice milk soap to cleanse your face. Okay? After cleansing with this, you will now rinse. After rinsing, you will now go again for the second time and cleanse your face with this. You're good to go. If you are the type of person that normally wears makeup, you will also need a cleansing toner. You can just get any affordable cleansing toner of your choice. This is the cleansing toner I use. This Aquel pH balancing toner. If you cannot afford this one, you can get the simple toner. You can get the FBC T3 toner. Any of these toners, guys, is going to help you. In case if you don't want to go, if you can afford the 3, fine and good. If you can't afford the 3, make sure that you either have this bar soap with this toner, or you get the face fat foaming cleanser together with the Aquel toner. But just make sure that you are double cleansing in your skincare routine. Guys, if you have an acne prone oily skin, trust me, you want to start double cleansing. If you are not double cleansing, I don't know what to tell you anyway. So guys, for your face, this is what you're going to be using. Get these 3 for your face. Get these 3 for your face. If you can't, at least make sure you have 2. Either this and this, or you have this and any of this. It is very important. It's going to help to properly cleanse your skin and ensure that any form of bacteria that you have on your skin are properly getting rid of, are properly taken out of the face. You understand? So that any other products that you apply on your face, they will go into the pores and do what they're supposed to do very, very well. And when it even comes to your body, trust me, even your body, make sure you're double cleansing your body. This is what I use for my double cleansing for my body. I have one body wash and then I have one bar soap. You can get either these two combo, or you can get any bar soap like the Ashanti bar soap. You can get the SK Duchess shower gel. You can get the St. Ives body wash. Any one of your choice. But trust me, as an acne prone oily skin girl, you want to make sure you're double cleansing. Trust me, this particular one is not for dry skin people. As a dry skin person, if you are double cleansing, already your body is not producing enough oil. Like, you need more moisture on your skin. So you don't want to be stripping off your body of too much moisture. That's why I said, if you're a dry skin person, this is not for you. This is for strictly acne prone oily skin girls. Now, in my night routine, this is what I do. I go in with this first. After going in with this, I'll now go in with this. You understand? But you can still actually go in, like, if you're suffering from hyperpigmentation and you're trying to get rid of all this melasma and uneven skin too, you can go in with this first. Do you understand? Then you will now do the lathering method. You will lather this soap and apply it on your body, just like how you used to apply your body moisturizer. It's going to help you very, very well. This one, I don't even use it every day because this soap is not for everyday use. It's very, very strong. But this is my regular body moisturizer. I use this morning and night. Any time of the day, I use this. But you see, this is only at night. Guys, go and try this. I will be here waiting for you guys. If you are acne prone oily skin girl, introduce double cleansing in your skincare routine. Trust me, you will hardly break out unnecessarily. You will hardly break out. You'll be able to control all those dark spots, all those acne and other hormonal or bacterial acne that normally occurs on your face. Why? Because you are cleansing your body properly. You are getting rid of all the dirt, all the sweat, all the bacteria that was accumulated during the day. In your morning routine, you don't need to double cleanse. But in your night routine, make it a habit to double cleanse, guys. Make it a habit to double cleanse. This thing that I'm telling you guys, this thing that I'm teaching you guys, your skincare vendors will not tell you this. But here I am telling you guys. So please, make sure you incorporate double cleansing in your skincare routine. Make sure for your body you have a bar soap and you have a shower gel, and you also have a face cleanser for your face and a bar soap. Is going to help you guys. It is really, really, really going to help you. That brings us to the end of this video, guys. And if you made it to this point, thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips. Please, the only thing you need to do for me is to subscribe to my channel just to help my YouTube growth journey. And also, don't forget to like this video if you're yet to. See you guys in our next video. Bye.